Hello and welcome back to yet another rain video. We have 2,500 in the balance. Before we start, I want to show you guys the 1k weekly leaderboard. nematcodes.com/leaderboard/raingg. You can see all the spots live here. They should update pretty often. Let's jump into the video. Let's get some early top hits here. Come on. Please give some 5% hits. Nothing just yet, that's fine honestly. There's 3 of these cases though, so no hit, that's totally fine. This was the new case, which they hit on 38 coin 5% case. I think that's probably the best hit you can get from that case. 700, I'm pretty sure. We didn't hit anything. Float 5% are really important. Nice, stop. Fucking fire, bro. This is important. Bayonet autotronic, please. Stop. Yes, man. Let's go. Nice, stop. It's feeding. 10%er. Most likely feeding for us. AK, Case Ireland. No, Talon even better, man. What? That shit was 900? There's no way they're comebacking from this. We're literally like 600 above them. Or 500. And they came back. They fucking came back, bro. That's insane win. Nice first hit. Be a payer. 1k item, please. No, 500. 400. What the fuck, man. If they hit something better than what we hit, I'm gonna be so mad, bro. Give them an AK. Fucking not the best AK, but it's fine. It's the same as we got, so I guess it doesn't matter. Nice, we got another 5% hit. Come on, 1k item. Another case ardent. What the fuck? What the fuck, man? New case? No. Didn't pay. No. This didn't hit either. What about the float? This is important. No hits. And a few 10%ers at the end. Double hit for us? Yes, man, we got a double hit. Double 10% and they got a 1 as well. There's no way. Okay, this is expensive as well. And that was expensive, man. Holy shit. Nice, I think we won that. We did, right? Yeah, 1,200 something. We are in profit. 5% rifle hits is so fucking... It helps so much, man. Let's see if we can manage to pull something else than fucking AK Safari nets. Give them a Panthera Onka, please. That's fine. That's a cheap one. 500. Not a cheap, but it's cheaper than most of the other hits. I don't hit that from this Kraken case, honestly. So, oh, close. Float, come on. Okay, that didn't hit for us. Come on, Runic, 10%er. Yes, man. We just need more than 541. Nice. One more 10%er though. Ah, fuck. They hit. I'm sure it's not possible to win this for us. Yep. Let's change it up a little bit. This is a 700 battle, which is fucking expensive. But we are gonna win anyway, so it doesn't matter. 10%ers in the start. Perfect. We hit on the first case. That's a good start, I would say. Even though it's the cheapest. Probably one of the cheapest at least. How much is this? 271, we take it. Framed. No hits. That's fine, I guess. 562, it's fine. We just need another hit. Donut. Oh, that Onitaji right there would be nice. Pingenloni? What? Double hit? No, okay, single hit. That's still a good hit though. It's a almost 100 coin case. I don't know what is the best items you can get here, but that's definitely up there. Float, come on. That's fine. Party. 5%er. Didn't hit. It's fine, I think we went almost in profit. Yeah, we went in profit actually. Let's try this one more time, even though it's a really expensive battle. These are 10%ers. We should be able to win something from this. Oh shit, they hit on the timeless. That's not good. Just give them a cheap item. That's fine. 666 coins. Dognut. No one hit. What if we get to the Pinglendly at something? Pingendly. Okay, float case is a banger. Usually didn't hit. Party. Nice! We hit the 5%er. This could be huge. It could be also really shitty, but it could be like really nice. Like a prince. Okay. That's fine. A little money back. Yes, we even profited on that. 715 battle, which is not crazy, but still quite a lot when you only have like 2k balance left. Come on now. I would like to see some big hits. We're gonna finish this with a pretty big battle, I think, after this. Regardless if we lose or win. Nice. Maybe an M9? Nice! 1k item, easy. Nothing. What about the party case, please? I mean, it's a little money back still though. It's not like completely rinsing, you know. Let's join this since it's only 4 cases. Let's see if this guy wants to call bots. That would be nice. Honestly, I don't think this guy's calling bots. Let's see which of these guys calls bots the first. Oh shit, this battle has started. 25 cases, man. I'm not gonna watch this whole thing. Yeah, fuck that. Create a battle. We're gonna create one for really expensive. How much is this going to be? 3v3? Yeah, let's go for this. This is a 1650 battle. We have to win. So many 10%ers. So many 5%ers. Either of them has to hit. Like, I'm not even doubting it a little. Ah, fuck, they hit on the star on the Biba case. Onitaji, maybe? 900? No? 685, that's fine. Come on. Give us a star up here. Come on. Nothing. A little bit of nothing. A little bit more of nothing. Tripwire. Nothing here either. Come on. Now comes the 5%ers. This is important, man. These 3 next ones are like really important. Come on. Checkmate. Nice! We hit that shit. fucking huge. Come on, be something crazy. There is absolutely no way, bro. We hit the 2k item. Fucking perfect, come on. Okay, 1200. We take it. What the fuck? We've hit something. And we're up. Fucking hell. Seems like we're winning, like big time, because this bot hit something really good. Double hit. I think that's good for them. Yeah, we hit this one. Classic knife. Oh shit. Come on. Desert Eagle, Desert Eagle. That's good. That is really good. 700 easy. Let's do this. 5%ers only. 2.1k. 10 5%ers. We have to hit something, man. No hits yet? What the fuck, bro? We have to hit something though, right? Come on. Yes, I think that's good. 2,600. Fucking hell. What a crazy hit. Now it's only energy left. Stop. Oh, close one. Really fucking close. Come on. Nothing. Come on. Last case, come on. Be a payer for us up here. Nope. We won though. I think we are gonna finish it there, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.